Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. I started quite a bit of my seeds on Super Bowl Sunday, and which is about a week ago. So I just want to bring you on for a few minutes to show you where they are now. So stay with me till the end, guys, so you'll get a chance to see everything. All right, guys, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm going to start right here first just to show you where I have everything just in my windowsill. As you can see, these are part of them. I got some more, but these have something that has actually started. So I just wanted to show you these just to let you know I don't have anything fancy going on. Look at this, guys. This is all lettuce. And it's in the egg carton. As you can see, I have it doubled up like I showed you in that video when I was planting them. These are all my lettuce seeds. They are growing fine. I actually rotate the container pretty much every day so that they won't grow over so crooked. Now over in this container, the only thing that started so far, see if you can zoom in to see that right there, that's a radish. So that's going really well. And as you can see, the lettuce is too. I will thin it out as they get a little bit bigger and stuff. So right here, guys, we have cauliflower. Yes, we have cauliflower right there. Let me get in so you can see that. And they're coming up quite nicely. Now, guys, this right here is my grapefruit. Now, I did not plant this on Super Bowl Sunday, but a lot of people have been asking me, how is it doing? I planted this about a month ago. I simply opened up a grapefruit, took the seeds out, stuck it in the dirt. So as you can see, I have about 4 little ones coming up there, and they are doing really, really well. So I'm happy about that. There's another one coming up right there. Okay, guys, now this is my broccoli, a little leggy. I even have one here that the root is kind of being exposed. So I'm going to put that back down in the dirt, and I will be separating them as they get just a little bit bigger. Instead of me thinning them out, I'm going to see if I can separate all of them into separate pots to have more plants, multiple plants. And this right here, guys, this is actually my lemon. I did this one first. This is about going on 2 months now. So this is 2 months. And another one coming in down there. And to be honest with you guys, this one down here in the corner does not look like lemon, but it might be. Maybe I dropped something else in there. I don't know. We'll keep an eye on it. But they are doing really well. And as you can see, I will be able, it's like 3 of them coming up, so I'll have 3 plants prayerfully. Like I said, this is 2 months worth of growth, and you can check that video out as well. And then back here, scoop that over so I can get in here. This is my cabbage. And I have quite a few seeds in here. I will be thinning it out. But again, instead of me just pinching them off, I'm going to see if I can separate them. So we'll see how that works. But that's the plan. So that's my cabbage. I don't have them under any grow light or anything like that. They're simply sitting here right by the window. And that's it. That's the only light they get. I didn't use any seed starter. I did use a good organic potting soil. And I have that link in the description as well. So I don't want to keep you guys. I just wanted to come on and give an update. I love, love, love updates. I don't like to wait too long because I like to, for everyone to see what's going on as it progresses as well. So guys. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you all. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I will see you on the trail.